Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Have you all done your Maths homework? Yes. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Exercise 1.5 in your book page number 20. Roman letter 1 simplify. X plus 2 the whole square minus x minus 2 the whole square. The expression x plus 2 the whole square is based on the identity a plus b the whole square. And the expression x minus 2 the whole square is based on the identity a minus b the whole square. So write the identity first. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Step 1. Solve the first expression x plus 2 the whole square. Here the value of a is given as x and the value of b as 2. Substitute the values in the identity. X plus 2 the whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into a as x and b as 2 plus b square as 2 square. Now you get the value as x square plus 4x plus 4. Now step 2, solve the second expression x minus 2 the whole square. Substitute the value of a as x and b as 2. X minus 2 the whole square is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. Now you get the value as x square minus 4x plus 4. Now step 3, you have to solve x plus 2 the whole square minus x minus 2 the whole square. X plus 2 the whole square is nothing but the value of step 1 and x minus 2 the whole square is nothing but the value of step 2. Now you have to subtract. You get the answer as 8x. So x plus 2 the whole square minus x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 8x. Before starting the class, let us recall the identities we have learnt in the previous session. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. What's the time? It is 6. How many colors are there in the rainbow? 7 colors. How many varieties of fruits are given here? 9. From the whole pizza, how many pieces were taken out? Totally there are 6 pieces and 1 piece was taken out. So it is 1 by 6. The numbers 6, 7 and 9 are called natural numbers. What about this 1 by 6? This is also a number called a rational number. In today's class, we are going to learn about this rational number. Rational number. Any number is in the form of p by q is a rational number. If P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Examples: minus 2 by 5 is a rational number, as minus 2 and 5 are integers and 5 is not equal to 0. 4 is a rational number, as 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Here 4 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. 0 is a rational number, as 0 can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 5 and so on. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Points to remember: every natural number is also a rational number. Every whole number is also a rational number. Every integer is also a rational number. Every fraction is also a rational number. Division by 0 is not allowed, so a rational number cannot have 0 in the denominator. Positive rational numbers: if both numerator and denominator of a rational number are positive, the rational number is said to be positive rational number. Example: 7 by 3. If both numerator and denominator of a rational number are negative, the two negatives cancel out and we get a positive rational number. Example: minus 7 by minus 3 is equal to 7 by 3. Negative rational numbers: if either the numerator or denominator is negative, then the rational number is said to be negative. Example: minus 8 by 17 is equal to minus 8 by 17. Standard form of rational numbers: a rational number is said to be in the standard form or in its simplest form when the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, that is, when the numerator and denominator are co-prime. Example: 27 by 54 is not in the standard form, as the numerator and denominator have common factors 3, 9 and 27. So the standard form of 27 by 54 is equal to 1 by 2. Addition of two rational numbers. If p by q and x by y are two rational numbers, then the addition of p by q and x by y is denoted by p by q plus x by y and has the value py plus xq by qy. When the denominators are different, you have to multiply and take the LCM. That is, p by q plus x by y is equal to py plus xq by qy. Subtraction of two rational numbers. If p by q and x by y are two rational numbers, then the subtraction of p by q and x by y is denoted by p by q minus x by y and has the value py minus xq by qy. That is, p by q minus x by y is equal to py minus xq by qy. Here the denominators are different, so you can multiply and take the LCM. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment.